check it. Look, I said, yo, hit you straight for the way, cause I'm not trying to waste a second. Pitch it out like a weapon, using music as a weapon. Everything that I step on, I'ma make it born. I'm trying to own in the streets life, leave it alone. I took a vow last night, said I'll never be a loser. Stick to the blueprints, where's a piece of a ruler? Spark up a doula until I'm conversating with Buddha. Banana clips look all body any intruder, hallelujah. Lay down voices like about for different chapters. This photo clappers for my rivals. I master my idol for some respect.
Damn.
Was expected.
Ever since my inception on BRN, it's been like a domino effect. First it was Fish, Baski, Spliff, Mac, Daz, Hyphen, Flow, Bags. You should have known you was in line next, cause y'all ain't fucking with me. Even if y'all got protection, it's not safe sex. I could RKO a nigga out of nowhere like Randy. Now tell me who the real predator, Daft, Apex. My guns like rock music, they be banging like heavy metal. Soon as I blast these texts, I go looking for fifth, then go wild with rage with a big shotgun. Barking on fifth like Suge on stage. You like to do gun bars, now you close range with a gauge in a cage. Your life like a book in my hand. Watch as I flip the page, bootleg clip, I let one rip. All his gun talks jokes, when I point to, do the math, you'll get 1/5. The irony, fifth ain't outdone with a small piece, that's not a fifth's caliber. See how I brought the fifth for fifth? Bad for his health, guess it's true what they say, you can't save a man from himself. The space weapon I'm gripping is like a spiritual force, cause you gon' see fire on earth when I err. His resistance will hold no water, then pistol whip the soul out the gun, till I knock out this fifth element, this 4 elements to hip hop. MCing, DJing, bebop, graffiti. If you don't know this, then you must be delirious. Haven't known this, what makes you think we'll take an element of fifth serious? I'm good with these weapons, I'm your dad in this game. That's why it's easy for me to raise the fifth. Top gunner, play your position. You only fifth, you said it yourself. Your name's not a number, it's a position. I'm in this bitch to be first. Second is not a winner. Third, nobody remembers. So why the fuck would I want to be in fifth position? After this, you're gonna say fifth came first? That shit don't even sound right. I brought the 4 to fifth, guaranteed you 4/5. I have fifth stuck in the middle of 4/6. Shotgun. I call her Camilla Cabella, cause when she goes off, she'll fuck off fifth's harmony. Or we could put the guns down, cause that's just steel sharpening steel. But if we knuckle up, you gon' need more than first blood to draw with me. Listen, bitch, I didn't come to play. Blade in my hand, ready to open gift like it's Boxing Day. This is not your day. It's about to be a rude awakening. Boy, we see the moves you're making. You denounced Hydra in public. Dude, I'm shaking, rusty knife, ready to stab him in the back for betraying the group that made him bullets. Put his body in a coffin, have my niggas carry you up. How I hail Hydra, I lit you up, set you on fire and offer gift. That's a burnt sacrifice to Hydra. What the fuck do you always repeat your punchlines like half fifth, standing over you 3, like a handicap match? Get it? Half fifth, standing over. Bow, bitch, we got it the first time. You told Hitler you was gonna off his head like having oral sex at his place of work. Nigga, I off your sets like I switched off your mobile phone. Nah, scratch that. Nigga, I off your sets like I killed a member of the Migos. Fuck it, I let in shots. Bow. Let shots through his kneecaps. I'm trying to shoot at his shorts. Bow. Cut him down to Donnie size. I'm trying to make sure he shorts. Bow. Arm pop. Bow. Chest shots. Bow. Head shots. Then I put your body and soul on attachment. I'm talking public transport. Time.
I've been aiming for the pay. Wrestling with rappers like prehistoric warriors, entertaining for the day. Young David on display. Castrated, dick sucking, votes and all the swaying on the way. Cause I've been a good kid on an errand. Man, I ain't playing on the way. But all jokes aside, Gaddafi, you don't kid me. All the smoke you survived gave you hopes to come beat me. But I'm a different kind of smoke, even split was blunts with me.
I'm a guy, no big lie, you smoke the bomb kidney.
You don't fit me, should've brought the Glock with me. But since you gone in for the grand prize, you can have this 150. This is where it hustles the fact. I'm scheming at and streaming IPL, you first play the track. For the record, you gain 30. That's a preview on iTunes before you purchase the track. Or fuck around, I might just get the trigger and spark. On the run, the great Gaddafi becomes a leader at large. Sport and man, this boy, that's when I get our ego on start. Big blade, social distancing. We take you when your niggas support. Fifth. Every skin is heavy with the quotes. Going against me is very deadly to the boat. So when recording, know these stakes like your record label ain't ready for the smoke. Get it dizzy for the toast. Shit we caulk and blaze. Better run, but trust me, you cannot outpace the efficiency of a squad strapped to Glocks engage. And more guns with extension than lockdown dates. Fuck it, the struggle stops when you catch a couple bucks. So run fast like my nigga double up. And when you add it, double duck. And take cover behind anything but a building. Cause my shotgun, Akeem Olajuwon, that shit will hit a couple blocks. So rest assured you ain't safe. Better ready your crew to fight back. I mean the ones who can scrap and utilize gas. Cause we got immature pistols. The kick back like, bro, you gonna let him do you like that? Bro, you gonna need help. So start reaching across. If Hitler knew what you're into, he'd be deeply appalled, leading the squad while you holding on to faith. Believing in God, but he don't know what you're going through. Like Nigerians living abroad. Different guns. First the semi-automatic with spray. Then it's Max. Tex will have the baton relayed. Then Big Pump. She can lift an army brigade. One shot will lift you up like your favorite uncle back in the days. Well, this is battle rap. Where anything is said to score votes. My pen is Area Stark and Lord Bench. Called Throats. Boy, you gonna need to learn to scheme and poise votes. Cause you beating me is a month's laugh like Mingler's voice notes. Machete, since I'm getting kind of fed up with lead. Shit looks bloody, like the evidence that led to your death. So through the next round, do everything to get to your bread. But treat this machete like fame. Don't let the shit get to your head. Prick.
When shit gets rough, your first instinct's not to take the south route. You lost the icon. Been warriors with mouths, a coronation. You lost the dummy. Shit was hard for you to bottle like you drank stouts. I thought you was a hard man that liked hard liquor till I seen what you did with Hennessy. After all the promotion and the moves you set in motion, you left your drink by the bar, then tucked away with your Maltese. At the start of the tournament, you drew with Hitler, started blaming the North, wanted to go on that south route. You gave us that vodka fill, another magic moment. You couldn't just bottle up, now you want the trophy. You want to be a star, but you ain't ready to fight. When a loss like Goldberg, you don't spark the Mossberg. Your state of mind's confused because you don't even know if you a villain or a hero. So how y'all think this Budweiser, when everything that he brute trash, he can't even burn loss? Lil Gun, when shit lose, shit's always nagging. Should be taking the fifth route, and I don't give a fuck about the fifth commandment. I'm just here to bring the slaughter because you don't even believe in God. So why should I honor thy mother? Bro, you lack courage, you a cowardly dog. You seen my track record, I deck stars in the laboratory. What the fuck you gonna do is gonna make Daffy Duck to debunk you three's allegations. You posted a pic of you and your bitch skinny dipping. Well, he think he a stud. Well, I'll make this ratchet take you out. You gonna be skinny dipping in your own blood. Me and my niggas pull up with ease. I make this bitch sing like Tasha Cubs. I'm strapped with 4 guns. When I give you 3, 5th going in the bags. Now that's the final 4. I thought it was gonna be you 3. But y'all brought 15, my Nina. She underage, she's 15. And nigga, you was trained by X. Well, damn, it's evidence. We've seen your progression, but notice the common difference. Hey, that's why I brought this 9-4 to get this 5th turn. X, progression, common difference in 9-4, 5th turn. Y'all remember I told Flo, I got a plug that'll blow Flo brains quickly since he got a short fuse. Well, this time, I got a long extension to the plug. That's a socket. Shit will take a shot from a long range and still hit the target. That's a rocket. This the main event. It's time to put your body in the casket. You like down the niggas, bitches? Well, it's time for you to have a conversation with this ratchet. I'm fresh out the gift shop. I brought toys for gift to toy with gift. It's a rap for gift. Soon as I rap for gift, I'm leaving with gift head. I'm getting gift bag for this 150K. Gift getting shot with this $150. I'm that filthy. You never brought crack to your city. You a fake disaster. A knockoff 5th. I'll knock off 5th. Bring crack to your city. Now you're faced with a real disaster. In bows, you don't pack the punches. You only pack the Maltese. Like that's where the solution lies. Nigga, I'm the truth. You the lies. I'll stroke him with a paralyzed till he paralyzed. Put him under a scope. Now he getting scrutinized. 5th getting broken down like shit's getting analyzed. Put this dog to sleep. Now he getting euthanized for this green like spinach. Man, I'm here to pop eyes. Cooking wig shit like I want to sharp rice. I'll jab him with the left. Leave him by the left. Then he sharp right. Fuck it, I'll bag him for a cheap price. Sharp right. Everything this nigga been trying to portray, he portrayed it showing portraits. I'll stroke him while I brush him. I just showed y'all his portraits. Time.
Yo, I said, check. Round 2. All the soft talks you say, we most definitely no work today. Don't make me start posing for a mug shot the way you let all your guns burst and spray. So title you all rounds and watch what you say. Cause I don't want to grab the Glock and really have to stack it up with some Looney Tunes clips and just move it to his crib. Yo, we'll see Daffy Duck. Gun bars, Y'all know I can school him of that. But fuck that. I'm finna ridicule him of that. So if you ever get pissed to the point you will attack, just know I got a pistol like where the urine is at. Boy, I'm nice with guns, Uzi and Tex. But just for you, I'm packing something I'm truly at best. Headshots. Once I straight pull it and stretch. Gripping the 12 gauge like a chokehold on a Unilock vet. Before you come before fifth, be strapped with 4/5. Better get like forfeit, or you better forfeit. Before your body all fit, that 2 plus forfeit. Losing to you, my nigga, that's a mighty lie. Better chance believing all the 5G lies. Cause when it's on, it's text, Rugers, 9s we rise. Yo, we see ratchets going all out like a Yahoo Boys IG live. So nigga, stop it already, you cop the feed already. When I feel like a whore waiting for the result of a pregnancy test. Feeling positive already, big and none. I'm throwing out the slugs in the midst of your team just to show them how we tough. Nah, scratch that, I'm finna leave his brain leaking just to show them how we thoughts. Get your head fired like the board voted out the boss. I feel 45 with these clips. But even if I ain't strapped, I'm still sending you 6 feet. Stab you with something that look like nothing that can rip shit. Shank with a blunt tip. But I'm still ready to force it like your fifth flips. Rusty blade. Truthfully speaking, man, I don't trust these ways. Cause even when I trust this straight, the shit will double cross you till your guts displayed. Man, I'm not the nigga to go to test. Sedating a female pig, I put your soul to rest. With knife, like blood vessels. That shit will go through flesh. Shit will really go bad like Deji taking a babe to his bro's duplex. Daffy, man, this is a different type of photo. You up against the new Royce, Crooked, Joe, Bud, and I'm a different kind of slaughter. So go get a coffin set. Or something to talk with lead. Cause in old times slugs will spread, leaving something dead. When we both draw, you be a victim of sudden death. Funeral thoughts. Once I'm loading all the shells and clips. It's hell on leash. Thought process will have you well convinced. When I give you a casket and tell you to dwell on this. Dwell on this. Thought process, give you a cat.
This the final round, I'm straight to it. I'ma chop off Gift and his fam and dump them off in different locations. Y'all gonna have to play treasure chest looking for them. Fuck it, you know I'm a high man. I might just fuck around and kill you while I tie one. I give your bae shots of that liquor. That mean I give your bae gin. Or I let the Rastas kill ya. Don't send it to Jamaica. I catch your mom's stuff in an island where nobody's going near the land. Shots I land. Catch a bro and your sis. I'll leave them mocked. Fifth, I'll give you case. I'm a kleptomaniac that's known for bringing the steel out. Think fasting. I'm about to bring a mail out. Different instruments, strong on Gift. It'll be a beautiful symphony. How I orchestrate Fifth's murder. Or I let the tempo to increase his tempo. He's gonna hear that click-clack sound. Shit sound like a metronome. 2 twin chromes pressed to his dome. With the scam, you gon' get the spark. Techno phones, you couldn't give me this work if you were a xenophobe. This verse inspired by a higher power. Holy scriptures, your verses passports. You don't even paint the whole picture. You and your niggas look like a carry catch y'all. I don't have to run the catch y'all. This gun I carry catch y'all. Fifth, I do you dirty like some tattered. Leave you broken like some shattered. Body parts A-way like some scattered. Have you looking like an accident. Something battered, push you to the side, you never mattered. I don't have to sneak up on you, I just shoot. My bullets move from box to box like a nosy roommate. How my bullets check around your house, or you could try angles. I'll still wrap circles around you, that's the point. I shoot bullets like a cones, I turn a pentagon to a square when I take the 5th angle away. This way you pass away. Me and my niggas pull up to your crib with the artilleries. The code word, EPL 18-19 season. That mean an arsenal coming in 5th place. I turn 5th to a souvenir. Translation, I give gift away. No matter how serious you take this battle, you still go Jones. You can come with schemes like Chiller, you still go Jones. See, UFC, I'll beat your ass like I'm John Jones. It's not gonna work out for you, even if you're good with cardio, cause you ain't got the conditioning to survive the condition I put you in. This gun will do a number on 5th, leave him minus. I kill him with enough shells, and when I shoot, you gon' see cases increase like the coronavirus. Turn this 5th bitch to a wrecking ball. Miley Cyrus, this loss was already written. You battling God's son. Even if you got yourself a gun, I'm still gonna eat the you. I kick in his door, B.I.G. He'll back down. 50 Cent, beg for mercy. G-Unit, I still deliver the kill shot. Eminem, I run his op, but I let a bitch do the job. C-Lee, you battling a nigga that's polished liquor, you blacked out. Kiwi, I throw around, your dog's gonna catch him. Frisbee, you know it's time to ride. Gaddafi strapped with 2 guns when it's time to ride. Bullets hit your chest, all you gonna hear is... Then you know it's time to die, time.
I said, rap-wise, I'm undebatably the patriarch one. The ancestry of my pen trails back to where avians from. Fly writtens when I'm spitting with some radiant puns. With a flow of Poseidon in the US Navy at Bond, the brainiac bond. Month above gods to the stage he has formed. I would have said you trash, but I don't want to disrespect all the work that AJ has done. Round 3. Ain't no holding, loading, or blowing the nines. All you get is straight punches mixed with quotable lines. And fuck that, let's fist fight. That's wild reaction. How we punch to your brain scan says crowd reaction. Through the turning, I'm gonna say you've been a goat. Skimming through bars with delivery to seal their votes. So since you about to throw fists, it's only right I kill a goat. I'm on the Phyllis code, punches. I'm on the beats, this shit we produce, we compete with Pro Tools. Give them uppercut, then right hook. Like Whiskey's vocals. And don't even think you can take it or think you're hard-headed. Because the punches are swings you can break it. And have your doctors looking like they don't believe in your craft. Because they don't think you can make it. Better rap, like don't even try to play. Better rap, and don't even try to play. And you're going to need more than all your Northern guys to pray. Or else it's Candy will win a one-on-one battle. Meaning you're not going to see a tie today. And this is how the bias is tamed, desire is named. Gaddafi trying to beat me becomes a desire in vain. Things easy trying to confine the Cassie words. He will never try it again. Bro, your delivery, listen, say your delivery is really impressive, my man. That delivery can make the genius feel less of a man. Boy, you should be dressed in the van meeting requesting demands with a slogan on the van that says, my delivery, best in the land. Thank God you know the Christian. You might have led a large fold of believers. Maybe the type that the freeze would throw with the reapers covered in clothing of leaders, only to solely deceive us of tithe. Offerings and every seed sown from the givers. I might be wrong, but I'm 100% sure you will be known for deliverance. Because your delivery is really impressive, my man. That delivery can make the genius feel depressed as a man. There's nothing else to you, bro, because your penmanship is iffy. But we let it slide because you light years ahead of every pregnant chick's delivery. But delivery only means that you brought in the box. But the lack of content means you were frauded this bot. Or temple of Aphrodite. Everything you offering is fault. But this round is custom made. The border was blocked, so you can further restock that shit you ordered and bought. So the state of your delivery becomes nothing but goods you're stuck in the box. Nigga, stop it, it sucks, or you will rot in the box. Cause delivery men are never known for a lock in the box. Your only job is basically just dropping the box. So why the nigga with the best delivery is dropping the box? I'm in the parallel universe getting you dropped in the box. Time.